This video will give you a visual guide on how to embroider a daisy flower using lazy daisy stitches. The flower is made up of 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your needle up through the jumper near the flower centre. Insert the needle down into the same hole, but do not pull the thread too tightly. Instead, leave a loose loop on the surface of the jumper. Bring the needle up again at the tip of your petal. Make sure the needle emerges inside the loop. This creates the petal shape. To hold the loop in place, insert your needle just outside the tip of the petal and pull gently. This secures the lazy daisy loop, giving it its characteristic petal form. Move on to the next petal, repeating the steps as before. Come up at the centre point, pulling all the wool through. Go back down the hole you just came up through. Create a loop with a little stitch going back down through the same hole. Repeat for the final petals. I've sped up the video so you can watch what I'm doing. Remember not to pull too tightly, keep your tension even. You've just embroidered your first daisy flower, now to finish off, so it stays securely in place. You'll need to turn your jumper inside out. Take your 2 tails, bring the right side over the left and go under, the left side over the right and go under, and the right side over the left and go under. Pull tight and weave in your ends to finish neatly. Trim using your embroidery scissors. Turn your jumper so the embroidery is facing you and start again from the beginning on your next daisy. Congratulations, you've just embroidered a daisy flower using lazy daisy stitches.